If you're posting more times on social media every day than you are making phone calls, you're doing it wrong. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group, and today I want to talk to you about something I'm super passionate about, and that is really positioning you for success by doing the most important activities first. One of the things that I see happening far too often today is a lot of agents, especially younger agents, are getting into the industry with too heavy of a focus and emphasis on social media. Now, don't get me wrong, I think you should absolutely integrate social media into your business. But if you put up 25 story posts every single day and you're not making at least 25 phone calls every day, you're doing it wrong. Because I promise you, those 25 phone calls will have significantly more impact than those 25 stories that you post. And you might say, but my stories can get hundreds or thousands of views. That's cool. But if you find 1,000 real estate agents and you ask how many of you do more deals from social media or more deals from phone calls, I promise you that out of 1,000, if they have to pick one of the two, it's probably going to be in the neighborhood of 950 out of 1,000 are going to have more deals that come from phone calls than social media. And you're going to find that across the country. Sure, social can work, but it's such a small percentage of the agents who are wildly successful with it. I know tons of agents who are wildly successful from whether they're circle prospecting, they're calling expireds, for sale by owners, they're generating online leads and following up with them, they're working their sphere, they're working vendor relationships, they're working the phones. If you spend more time on the phone than you do on social, you will make more money. That's just a fact. Challenge me on it, I dare you. Now you're probably watching this like, haha, I'm watching this video on social media right now and you're talking crap about social media. Come sit in my office, watch how many calls, how many Zooms, how many meetings I'm on in a day. I promise you I'm doing far more of it than I am posting on social. I'm out there, I'm trying to build relationships all day, every day. Those relationships will be there for a long time. These social media, these views, you guys, a lot of you are getting so excited, you're getting these views on TikTok, thousands of views. You realize people are watching your video for like 3 seconds and they're gone. Swipe. If you think that has the same impact as getting on the phone and having a 5-10 minute conversation, you're crazy. You need to get on the phones, especially today. Get back to the basics. So many people are like, my business is tanking right now. I'm not making the same kind of money I made. What do I do? Back to the basics, get on the phones, build those relationships, and I promise you, you're gonna come out of this market light years ahead of the person who's focused on social media this entire time. Love it or hate it, that's the reality of it. If you want more tips, you wanna stay engaged, you can stay connected at thewhisselway.com. Check out the podcast, YouTube channel, referral network, our private Facebook group, email newsletter, video content creation course, all that fun stuff, all at thewhisselway.com. Let's stay connected. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group and EXP in San Diego.